Cicada's dampening his powers.
Without a satellite, I can't pinpoint his location. I mean, in this state alone, there's over 14 million acres of forest.
All right, Black Forest and Roanoke are closest. I'll start there.
We're not gonna find him in time, are we?
Well, before you give up, what kind of trees?
What?
In the forest, what kind of trees? Ask him.
Cisco, what kind of trees are they?
I don't know. I'm in a forest.
What kind of trees, little one?
Pine trees,
Good.
I think. Some of them have pointy leaves.
Pointy. Ash trees, of course. Right now, I need you to hold your breath
What? Why?
because I need to heal the forest, so... Crickets. Viridis, Asimidas, field crickets, they live in the soil. Anyway, cross-reference field crickets with a high concentration, pine trees, ash trees in an open field, and you have...
Colin Woods.
On my way.
Barry, you gotta get out of there.
We have to help him. Barry!
See, it takes time to hone your skills, Nora. You can't just skip rungs on the ladder or jump right to the big stuff. That's not how it works. Take a moment. Think before you act. Fix the problem the right way.
I got it. I can fix this. I've thought this through. I won't mess it up this time. I promise.
I trust you. Go.
All these years, the Central City spent defending metas instead of ending them. Those days end now, starting with you.
Use this.
Hey, Michael Myers, dampen this.
Cisco's gone.
Cisco. He's alive. He's alive. Hey, man. Sorry. Your daughter. She remembered there's more than one way to open a breach.
Figured Cicada wouldn't give up until Vibe was dead, so we gave him what he wanted.
Thanks, Fangirl. You saved my life.
I did good.
You did great.